Today we are making Grinch Fudge. Alright, there's the white chocolate chips and our cream cheese frosting. Microwave this. Oh, I forgot my butter. Hold on. Oh, I don't need butter. This is the other recipe. It's been a long day trying to get ready for vacation. I'm starting to hate vacations.
Vacations aren't the problem, it's work.
I was testing to see how hot the bowl is to see if I should do it some more. If it's too hot for you to hold, then do not microwave it again. Just let the residual heat finish melting your chocolate. Now this, I can hold it. It's got just a titch of heat, but it might be enough to go ahead and get this melted or not. Okay, 20 more seconds. Okay, now this is technically a 2-ingredient fudge, but I'm gonna add some other stuff to make it a Grinch fudge, okay? All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add is food coloring. Now it's best to do powdered food coloring. If, I don't know, do they even make powdered food coloring anymore? I don't know, somebody comment and let me know. Okay, there we go. Well, or never mind. I think because I have the frosting in here, it's not making my chocolate cease, so that's good. Ooh, that's the perfect Grinch color, isn't it?
It looks like Irish fudge.
And for our St. Patrick's Day fudge. Kind of like the swirls in that too, actually. That's pretty cool. Should I leave it swirly?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm reusing my parchment paper from another fudge that I made. I'm gonna leave it a little swirly. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do is, I don't know, sprinkle some gold dust on it. I'm gonna wake up in the middle of the night and you're gonna think that an angel took my place. Right here.
Yep.
Let's swirl this around just a little bit. Then with some sprinkles, we're gonna sprinkle on top. Oh, now if that is not Grinch colors, I do not know what is. Kind of tap them down so they get in the fudge and don't fall off. Get a little bit closer to the sides here. Haha, okay. Now we're gonna let this harden up and then we will cut it. If you want recipes for different variations of fudge, you can base it off our variations on page 315 in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2. This isn't the 2-ingredient fudge that has the frosting, but you have all the variations here that you can get some more ideas for your fudge. Here is our Grinch fudge. Ooh. That's pretty. Okay. So I'm gonna cut it backwards, I think. So in half. And then thirds. Oops, I forgot to do my measuring. Okay, let's see. How do you think it turned out?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's great. Oh my goodness, that is great. Okay, I'm gonna take a guess and say this is going to be my most popular recipe, I'll bet. All right, comment guys and tell me if you think this is gonna be my most popular Christmas candy. I bet it will. Do you think it will? Oh my goodness, that turned out so cute. So darn tootin' cute. What do you think, Jack? Think the kids at school would like it?
I'm sure they would.
Even if they are in high school?
I think it would vanish quite rapidly.
Okay, I'm going to taste test. Here we go. Oh, it's too bad we didn't have a Grinch outfit and I could have changed it to a Grinch outfit after I took a bite. That would be funny. Oh, okay, that is really good. I don't know what, did we use the almond bark for this? I can't remember. But whatever one we used, it's really good.
I think so.
Oh, yum. Okay, here's your Grinch Fudge, guys. Hi, I'm Tara, and this is
David!
and we're from
Living on a Dime.
.com. Today we're showing you how to make 2-ingredient easy fudge. This is so super simple. You're gonna say, why haven't I been making this all my life? All you do is pour sweetened condensed milk. Just this can, it is 14 ounces. Pour it in here, like so. Dave, can you open up the chocolate chips?
Yeah. Oh, whoa, this is hard.
Might need the scissors. Pour them all in, 12-ounce bag. this is what you have, a big pile of condensed milk and chocolate chips. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And we'll be right back when it's done. So we microwaved it 30 seconds. As you can see, they aren't melted, but what you need to do is give it a good stir, and you can see it's starting to melt just a little bit. Then we're gonna put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds and melt it. You keep doing this in 30-second increments, stirring in between until it's all melted. Okay, so we microwaved ours for 1.5 minutes total. This is what it's gonna look like. You just make sure all the chocolate chips are melted and stir it in. What do you think, Dave?
It looks delicious.
I think it looks delicious. Wow, that's a lot. It's coming from a guy who doesn't like chocolate. Can you believe this child does not like chocolate?
Well, I used to not like chocolate. Now I love chocolate.
Now you're getting there more.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what you've got. Throw it in the refrigerator for an hour. Let it set up, and then we're going to cut it into pieces. Okay, we're back a few hours later. It was actually more than 2 hours. It's more like
I thought we said 1 hour.
We did, but we were wrong.
It was more like 4 or 5.
I would say leave it 5 to 6 hours or overnight your fudge. When you do, it will look all yummy and luscious like this. Very good. One tip for cutting your fudge is to spray your knife. And I use this kind of little spatula. I like it because it's small, it has a beveled edge, and it can get on the bottom easier. Spray it. All right, then we're gonna cut into approximately 1-inch pieces. Okay. Then what you do, well, I know, I'm just gonna do this so they don't have to see us watching us do this all the time. And I start in the middle because it's easier to get it out, and then go down, scrape, pull it up. Lovely, 2 pieces.
This one, this one is big enough to fit 2 pieces on, so you can just scrape, you know.
And then just spray. Oops, didn't mean to spray it over the fudge there. I don't think I didn't get it much. So, here's your fudge in all these lovely pieces. And what you can do is, if you want to add cherries, you can add a little bit of cherry juice and make it cherry fudge with maraschino cherries on top. Or you can use cherry chips instead of chocolate chips. Just do the 1 packet of cherry chips and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Same thing. There you go. Easy, 2-ingredient homemade fudge with just chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk.
And you also need a refrigerator.
Well, yeah, that does help, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. For more recipes like this, visit livingonadime.com. This recipe is on our 25 of the best candies article. Just type that in and you'll find it. livingonadime.com.
Bye.
Today we are making this easy 3-ingredient peanut butter fudge. It is one of our most popular recipes. You can get the link in the description below. Let's get started. Use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and add in your white chocolate chips. Then we're going to microwave this until the chips are melted. Stir until well mixed. Then you're going to add in your peanut butter. If you use peanut butter, you don't need to add the butter. Then pour into a greased pan. Put this in the refrigerator until firm for a couple of hours, and then we're going to cut it. After it is set up a couple of hours in the fridge, it'll be quite firm. You might have to try a couple of different knives to see which works best. I find these small thin knives work, but you can also use a plastic knife. That works well also. Cut it into equal pieces and serve.